chose GeneXus in about, I think it's 1992. I was doing work for several companies, and I didn't have, and part of the work that I was doing was development work, and I didn't have time to spend at that time full-time working for doing development, and I found that this tool simplifies my work and allowed me to do it a lot faster. So that's how I chose GeneXus. At the time, what they wanted was an application. It was the the Colombian government, the consulate of the Colombian government, wanted an application that they could process all the consulate work, visas, permits, legalizations, all that type of work. And they wanted to be in Spanish and English. They wanted to be able to change it quickly, and that's how I came to use GeneXus for their solution. By the way, that application is still in use. It was written in Fox Pro for DOS. You might not know what DOS is because it's old operating system, but that was migrated from DOS to Windows, then from Windows to web, and right now it's a web application, the same application. And probably the one that I like most is the one that has solved more problems, and this is a application that I developed for a pharmaceutical company that allowed them to be fully compliant with the Food and Drug Administration. So they go to a company that is manufacturing drugs. They are having problems with compliance. They install this application and they make the whole work compliant with Food and Drug Administration. So that one is still, of course, in use. It's very successful, and I like that application very much. Some projects, I would say that it increased. It cut my development time in half. Of course, in this application, I had very good requirements written by a professional requirements. So my development was reduced considerably. Yes, we are beginning right now a new project, a very important project for our company. It's an application that handles the payments that 320 salespeople make throughout the country, throughout the US, and it's going to handle all those payments, process the whole payment, notify everybody, and produce all the reports and all the information that is necessary for that process. We are located in Owensboro, Kentucky. It's our plant, and our branch is there. We are a worldwide company. The headquarters is in Stockholm, Sweden, and we have manufacturing in about 10 countries, and it sells products in about 100 countries.